what I think is really brilliant about your story is that you went to LA not ready and left, and that was okay. Because
Yeah.
then you were able to like really dive deep into who you wanted to be and see who you wanted to be so that you could come back and you're thriving now since 2017.
Yeah. Because, too, just like New York, it's a beast. The difference is there's palm trees and sunshine and mountains. So you don't feel the trenches. New York, you having
Especially
a
in the
bad
winter.
day, honey. You feel that bad day. It's gray and people are rude. You know, in LA, at least you just go sit on the beach with your bad day, your bad audition. But but it is a beast, and it's so pretty, and it feels like everyone's working except for you. And you drive by, there's camera crews, and you're like, why am I not in this thing? I had an
Mm.
agent. I did get an agent, but she never called me. And in hindsight, I understand why. My resume was not strong enough for LA. So well, I better stop booking some independent films. I better start doing web series. I mean, I did what I could. I I thought I was doing enough because I went to Actors Access every day. I clicked some links. I mean, I submitted myself, and then I wait and hope plan. That plan does not get you far. But yeah, it was that thing. It's that get honest with yourself moment. And to be honest, and I talk about it in my book. Yes, I felt like a failure. Yes, I moved back into my mother's basement. The boyfriend I had for 4.5 years while I was on tour moved back. He was not so happy to see me, honey. He was used to me being gone, and then when broke up with him and just, I had to get so sharp here. I had to own that I was not a failure. This was a moment. Failure is an event, not a person.
Mm.
And once I got that, I was cool. Like, it's going to be good. And that's when I got focused. So it's so easy in our lives as artists to feel it's scary to leave something, and it's scary to take the next step or to say no. I never thought I would be telling Thomas Schlank with Lion King, with Disney, no, please stop calling me. Please give my costumes to someone else. Thank you so much. But no, I had to move on with my life. And that was
Mm-hmm.
for me personally, in that one show. I'm not saying I would never go back to the stage, but now I've also got very spoiled. My body is like, jumping at when you're past a certain age, all that jumping and
Correct.